Oh, let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
I'm able to use the songs that I didn't make in this video because I am either friends with the musician or it's available through Creative Commons. You can't just take your favorite song and put it in a YouTube video, unless it's under Creative Commons and with proper credit. So don't go thinking that you can after hearing music that isn't my own in my video. The songs used in this video are linked in the description, as they always are.
Omaha's Henry Dorley Zoo and Aquarium may not be open yet when you arrive.
We are here for rope drop at the Omaha Zoo.
And it's supposedly in the top 3 in the nation.
Well, we can be the judge of that, can't we?
Yes.
We are in. That was really very easy. Free parking and simple scanning in. We're gonna rent a stroller and we're off. I read that that's the largest geospheric dome. Not sure if that's true or not, but we went in there first, realized it was a big mistake because that's where everybody goes. So we'll hit it on the way out. It's like Spaceship Earth, like another geodesic sphere. And it should be really quiet. But there was a line just to get to even see the animals, so that's kind of slow. And there are other places to explore that won't have lines. Well, the music made her go into the children's zoo area. And she's off to the races again. It is pretty. But there's we'll see how it continues. Walking to this section, there was a lot of dead space. Like uninteresting dead space. But this definitely makes up for it. It's really pretty. That's a really small area for kids to get around in. So that's a really small tunnel for kids to get around in.
For kids.
It's not!
Tell Aaron, tell the others.
The monkeys.
No, at first I thought, oh cool, eagles. No, that's not eagles.
Oh. A stroller coaster. Mom has to go in there, of course.
No.
This kids area is like enclosures of animals in the zoo, so you can pretend that you're an animal in the zoo.
It is cute. This is probably the best children's play area in a zoo, or maybe not even in a zoo. It's really good. I saw lifeguards on duty.
Huh?
That's not even accurate. There are lifeguards on duty.
No, I said Aaron can't play in that without my supervision.
We have to keep an eye on you. Did you see that, Aaron?
The balls of steel.
Where was it? In South Dakota? Yeah, the guy. Yeah, somewhere. Yeah, he was standing up in the middle of the road, never moved. I moved out of the way, and he never flinched. Never flinched.
Why do they kill them?
I know. Well, that's. Or there was a dare. There was like 3 others on the side of the road. It was like an initiation. So far, so good with the zoo, except it's kind of weird, the dead space. The feng shui is low, but the good is great.
Well, we
And
saw one thing.
well, yeah, well, two. I can that geodesic sphere area is going to be cool. I could feel it.
I didn't see anything in there.
Well, but I could feel it. I didn't say I saw anything. I just said I feel
Look
it.
at the theming.
Yeah, that's like I said. The good is good, but the bad is, well, it's not even bad. It's just dead space. A lot of dead space.
Although they were like built, there was gorillas right there, but you just couldn't go down.
Oh. But anyway, oh, you can't see it really from here, but this theater looks really cute. The stage and everything.
At 10 a.m.
I'm not big on shows, but we can absolutely see one. See, they really nail the theming. And I can already say this is the best children's zoo, like overall.
Yeah, there's another.
Right. Yeah, I can say without seeing the rest of it. Really cute eating, dining area.
Oh, this is nice.
Well, no, I think there's an exhibit over here. Yeah, that's an exhibit. But you give more than you take. They have a twin. Like that feel from. Oh no, they don't. I thought that came from. Yeah, it is. It's coming from. But if you really want to be
The last place for a kid.
yeah, that is cute. You hear all the other parents waiting for their kids to come out. Oh, our kid came out too.
He's gone.
Yeah, I saw him swim around. It's funny how small it looks underwater.
How many are in there all?
She likes tingly keys. Oh, she came back.
See him like rub against
This area looks well themed. A red panda. Yeah, it does. But isn't that strange?
What?
The juxtaposition of the empty corridors to get to the themed areas. But I mean, the highs are super
Gosh, the
high.
red panda's super active.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're well taken care of. Yeah, I love red pandas.
Andrew, no.
He just woke up.
Here's me. One of those comes into your falling head. Okay, make it down.
He can if he wants to.
Should we go see the rhinos? Run and explore.
the what?
This is the most active I've ever seen a red panda.
Me as well.
camper again. That was so cute.
Let's use the litter box. The world is actually. Oh, that is not that. It looks more like a cat than a bear.
Looks like a raccoon.
Oh, or yeah. They're a symbol of wisdom. Watch him fall. Oh! It's nice that he has friends to play with, so he doesn't get to, yeah. Although, these guys don't seem like very fun companions. But they're probably still just waking up. Wouldn't that be cool if it did say Froggy Forest?
Yeah. Like it's not very farm. This zoo? What's better than this zoo?
So far, I'm still putting San Diego above it. It's better than Memphis, though.
I don't know. The theme is
The theming is better. I'll give you that. Or it's more abundant and varied.
Actually, if you had kids and you wanted to take them to the zoo.
Oh no, this is like, no, for a kid zoo, no, here. For sure here.
What?
He's looking for his snacks.
He's cool.
Yeah, that's been
We're gonna try to get it. Look at.
funny to look up.
He looks like a bear from Hungry Bear. I mean, not Hungry Bear. Country Bear Jamboree.
Well, there's a show in 20 minutes. We'll see if he gets up and...
Look at his paws.
I don't know.
So cool.
Yeah. One more try. Sorry, we don't have it. Well, they're known for their acrobatics. We might be lucky. Nope.
He's like, no, that's too high.
That's very cool. And there's the backside of the sloth encampment. I call it the encampment, but I'm obviously I'm a environmentalist. No, I'm a animal conservatist. No, wow, I'm bad with my words today. Anyway, I feel very comfortable at this zoo. Because you know how sensitive I am. For example, this is nice, it's night and day, how big the enclosure is, and they don't have to warn you that the tiger might spray you with urine because it wants to mark its territory. This one's just a tad bit nicer. Does that remind you of anything?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Wonder if they have the Mickey Cokes poster.
Snow leopard, where are you?
He's in here somewhere in his large enclosure. Enclosure, that's a better word. It's about the better, same word as encampment. Both are not the greatest he is. Environment. There we go. And it's environment. It's stretching the truth a little though. I'm gonna work on it. I'll figure out the correct verbiage. There's the other. What?
I need to see what's around the corner, but I want to go to the fucking forest.
Well, then we'll make a loop. I'm sure this loops back around. And we're at the back side of the zoo. There's the spaceship
On
there.
the back side of the zoo. I think we're on the corner.
Oh, okay, but we're at one end. That's the other end.
I don't think we made it all the way to the end.
Oh yeah, sure we did. That's a street up there. Actually, now that I say that, maybe it's not. Oh, jeez. That is uncanny, actually. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, this feels just like we're in Hollywood Studios. It's crazy. Wow. Oh. It looks like there's...
This guy's hidden, but that's all this thing.
Well, it looks like they have misters. They'll probably turn on when it gets warmer, because right now it'd be kind of... It's just like a mask-free zone area. But it's...
Oh wow, they're fighting.
Well, I don't think they were fighting. It might have just been a way of showing affection. Yak, 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 yak. Although I know they're called something else. Oh, a Chinese girl? They're definitely related to yaks. Oh, I thought that one was just a statue, but it's just a dude. Or a girl. Okay. And then it's back to the Yeti area. There's a rhino. Let me get a little closer.
That's cute.
Mhm.
There was one born August 30th.
I hear it. Yeah, alright, this place is massive.
Yeah, you thought you were at the back.
Well, no, it is the back. I mean, it's a...
No.
Well, but this is another side bit. I didn't say I saw the entirety of the
I
zoo.
think that was the side of the zoo.
Maybe. What's with all the weird gummy bears?
Weird bears going like...
They're gummy bears. Maybe this is sponsored by Albacore, or what's Albanese?
I doubt that's in Indiana.
Alright, let's do it. Interesting. My mom's excited. She saw that they have a sky ride as well. There's a train ride. And from here, it doesn't even look like they're in an enclosure. I guess that's best word to use.
That's true, because you can't really see it.
Right. That is kind of neat. The lion's on the outside for right now. We can take a look later. Oh. And he's awake?
He's on Pride Rock.
Yes. Nobody's ever said that before. That guy's up in alert. There's three there. If you want to believe me. If you don't want to believe me, there isn't three there. Just laying down right now. Oops. I almost got my fall on video. That's it. I haven't seen him from right here. We'll get around for a better look. That's a crazy long sky train. Why am I calling it man? I'm having way trouble with my words today. This might be the biggest zoo we've been to. Probably is actually. I remember the Nashville Zoo being really big as well. What did you ask?
Why don't they just fly away?
Well, two reasons. One, I hope is not the reason, and the other is because they're comfortable and they're fed. I just hope their wings aren't clipped. It's neat how close you can get.
Know how to get the parents to dance. No, you cannot go in here. Why is it so
Wow. It's almost, I feel uncomfortable that you can get this close to him. It's not weird?
What?
How close you could, I mean you could pet him, but you that absolutely shouldn't, right? Right.
Hi, pretty bird. Pretty bird.
You don't have to yell at him.
I'm not. Sometimes they talk and I say it back to
You
them.
know, you can say it at a normal voice.
Hello.
The zoo is beginning to fill up. Yeah, we're gonna go on the train now. And we just had one of the worst meals I've had.
Mine was pretty good.
Oh, I'm glad Shannon's was pretty good. That's good. What was that place that we ate at? What was it called?
Tusker Grill.
Tusker House? Was it as good as the food at Tusker House?
No.
Mine was. It wasn't like super good, but it wasn't bad. Ice cream was awesome.
And the Puff Puffs or whatever they're called, they were fine. Very sugary. A fun little train ride. I went fast in parts. The one thing I thought was really interesting, they have a bear. Isn't that weird?
Yeah. And we saw him and he was active.
Yeah. But a bear. Here. I wonder what maybe they're gonna make a new exhibit so they don't have any at the moment? Because you can't even see bears here. Bless you. Not at Yellowstone, yet not at Yosemite. Okay, we'll go see elephants now.
They have 6 elephants.
They look
What
happy.
is pregnant?
Yeah, I have ears as well.
Huh?
I have ears.
Well, they don't.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Yeah, one is pregnant. Okay, that's fair enough. Yeah, because that was on super
I think
speed.
they said they have 1 boy and 5 girls.
I didn't pay attention to that part.
crazy how big this is because like elephants are huge and they look tiny in here.
Right, yeah, it's a good size enclosure. That must be the youngest.
That looks young though.
Oh, or maybe it's because we're far away. It looks young.
Look at Shirley.
One has his trunk up against all like he's playing a game. They're playing freestyle.
Quite a few over here.
Look at me.
Here, good looking lizard. Come inside, bud. Here, come and take a closer look at me. 'Cause you know I love reptiles. Hi, little cutie. How are you?
That's a clip springer and there's one over there. He's eating branches. And then the meerkats are over here. And they keep swimming.
Is that a real turtle, you think? Or, no, it's just slowed. Oh, hey, bud. How are you? Did I scare you off, or you come and take a closer look?
Come closer. Look, here's this one too.
Oh, jeez, you're real close.
Oh, here's a little there. Dig, 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 dig. He's cute.
Hey, bud.
I want one as a pet.
No,
Yes?
absolutely not.
So,
They claw everything and chew everything. And I don't think they make good pets anymore.
but they're cute.
They are very cute. But so are raccoons. This way towards the main entrance, really? We're close to the main entrance?
Yeah, we're almost over there.
Huh.
That's all you said we get loose.
Well, we'll see. We'll get in line for the Sky Fari. Sky rides I've ever been on.
Why?
Just the way you go over exhibits, and there's a lot of green. If you time it right, you go over to the train.
That's pretty cool.
And it's long. It's very long. I mean, it didn't look big when we were next to it, but that thing's huge. Although I know it's on the top of a hill, I think. Still, that's a very impressive structure.
And you're a very impressive structure.
That was a nice, fun, long ride.
Yeah.
The seats could have been cushioned, but I mean, that's us being overly picky.
I felt like a bar was going through my butt.
Well, thankfully, I didn't feel that way. So let's head towards the front, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he does look healthy. His coat is very shiny. The little bird is saying, "Look at me, I'm cute." Oh, copy. Ghosts of the forest. Here's the Sea Turtle Cafe, and that's why I'm glad we eat lunch early.
The pizza looks like Disney pizza.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay, then we're waiting in that line. The bad thing about being in a red state is some states are mandating masks indoors, and almost all places are limiting crowds inside. But geez, I didn't even record the tight bottlenecks where it was just at a stop and people everywhere. That kind of sucked. I'm not sure if they're still in there or they're waiting for me on the outside, but I'm just gonna wait outside where I get some air. Yeah, they are cute. Here's a kookaburra. And then an owl type.
Connie Frogmouth.
Well, that really sucked. It was all really crowded and crammed. That's why I didn't take any pictures. Nobody was wearing a mask, and they really need to limit that to like 10 to 20% of what was the people that was in there. Do timed entry. That was very uncomfortable. Ribbit. Encouraged, but yet 95% of the employees and 99% of the public weren't wearing them inside. Outside, fine. But other than that, I mean, it's a good zoo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good zoo. Yeah.
It's just too hot and too crowded.
It's not even that hot, and it's the outside crowded, whatever, but the inside crowded is what was frustrating, even if it wasn't everything that it is now.
Oh yeah, I mean it was like you're in a queue line.
Right, and if you stop, you're ruining, you're blocking everybody because it's such narrow corridors. Head now. Okay, we made it to Des Moines. We are now at Salvation Army. We're looking for a Wii for Aaron. Green tags 50% off. And they're probably not going to be here, so we'll probably go to a video game store after this. We are at the world's largest truck stop. It's Because the other camera's battery's low. I took too many videos at the zoo, I guess. Didn't seem like it did, but I must have.
No, actually, the camera was undone, and so it was getting low when it was plugged in.
That's why. This is interesting. Big food court. Feels like a mall up there. Actually, this is kind of cute. Sorry, I'll try to be negative. Yeah, I don't like the way the roof is looking. Oh, it's outside or inside? Both? Neither? Neither?
Wow, so my truck's on the inside.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't have Bucky's
Bigger
charm,
than
but
Buc-ee's,
it's...
though, I think.
Well, it's bigger, but does that really matter? You like this better than Bucky's
There's
then?
even a movie theater here.
Are you being negative?
No, I said there's even a movie theater here.
Or is there? Let me see. Are we pretending this time?
No.
Okay. We're home. we
Our
finally...
longest trip yet.
We're squishing.
Sorry, Froggy.
And
But
my DVR was at 93%, and I think 2 out of my 3 plants survived.
that's good. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. But, oh, bless you. We're not going to do a final wrap-up video, but so we'll just keep it to today. We went, let's see, what did we do? Oh, we did the zoo today. Jeez, that was today. And then we went to the world's biggest Truckstop, which was really big.
And in Des Moines, we were on the hunt for a Wii.
Oh, yeah, you guys didn't see that because battery life wasn't... the GoPro batteries were drained a little more than we expected it to, but yeah, we looked and failed to find a Wii. And you were contemplating getting pillows at Target, but you never pulled the trigger on that.
Yeah, because I wasn't... After I carried it around the store, I wasn't sure, and then I don't want to carry it around the mall.
So we're gonna be looking for those things tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's going to be looking for that. Hey, Aaron,
I'm giving our rental car back.
And finally giving up the rental car 7,000 plus miles later. Aaron, going back to the zoo, how does that rank in your... Well, let's just do the top 3. The top 3 is pretty easy. Where in the top 3 does it rank for you?
Probably
Fall for you.
2.
Okay. Mom? As I was saying, what did you...
my clothes magically changed.
all of
Ours did too.
Yeah, okay. Well, what did you think of the zoo? Where would it rank for you?
I don't know.
Really, you had all this time, and that's your answer?
I guess if everything was open and they were being nice, then probably 3.
Even that's funny, but it's even worse than 3. Otherwise?
Yeah, because they didn't have as many animals as I thought they would.
Yeah, that's surprising. One single bear.
Yeah, and like they didn't have koala bears. They didn't have
Well,
well,
pandas,
bears
I
was
yeah,
rare,
panda.
but I was saying at the Memphis Zoo, I saw a lot more
Yeah.
variety. And variety is the spice of life.
But if you, it's number 2 as probably most beautiful. It's more beautiful. Well, overall, yeah. Kid Zoo though.
Yeah, number 1 Kid Zoo for sure.
Yeah, I give it a 2.5. I think it's tied with Memphis personally. They're both 2.5s.
The ones too.
Memphis.
How can they both be 2.5s? Enough 5.
Okay, well, they're both tied for 2 then. You're right. They're not both 2.5. They add up to 5. All right. I'm going to do a quick... This is a little bit different because obviously we recorded this a little bit later. But since this is actually...
Did you take the avocados out of the car?
No, let's show that in the finale. This isn't the finale yet. Let's show that in the finale.
Okay,
When
we'll
do
do.
we have to do the finale?
Today.
Gosh, you're always so lame. All right, Aaron.
No, I'm not.
Aaron, press the button.
I just have things to do.
Aaron, press the button.